All right, we've got a 1968 BMW R69S US model. It's actually a R69US accordingly. And I'll just give you a quick walk around of it and then dive into some spots where it actually has some damage. This is fresh from the garage, from the barn, where it's been for 20 to 25 years. The current owner has had it for 30 plus years. Rode it in the 70s and then stowed it away, and there it has sat for decades. So it has not run in at least 25 years. It does kick over, which I will indicate right now. You can see that it will turn over just fine. But you'll also notice that it doesn't seem to have a lot of compression. So this bike really needs to be gone through. Probably rings and valves. Probably want to do main seal and really comprehensive going through of the bike. But it is complete. It does have the telescopic forks, not the Earl's forks, which some people prefer. Others seem to find that the telescopic forks are actually higher performance. It does have the larger tank with the toolbox. There's a little bit of rust. I'll open it up so you can see that. Just a little bit of rust where it looks like there was moisture, but it has not perforated through the tank. It's actually pretty thin. There's a bit of rust on the frame. Aluminum is oxidized, but again, it's all complete. Knee pads are a little bit fatigued on both sides of the tank, but not in terrible shape. The inside of the tank looks pretty good, which you can see eyeballing it. From the outside. Scrutinize the tank closely, and particularly the petcock. Again, a little bit of rust here and there, but nothing that looks like it has perforated the tank. The beetle bags, which people seem to be quite a fan of, not in perfect shape. This one actually looks like it had some either heat damage or acid damage at some point and was sealed back in its life. So there is some plastic repair on the left bag. The right bag does have a bit of a crack next to the suspension and a bit of a crack on the side here. Looks like somebody might have put too much weight on it at some point long ago, but repairable. Lenses are good. This rack that's on the back, I don't believe was an original rack, and I believe those amber turn signals are actually Honda turn signals. So a little improvisation from back in the day. Seems to work, but not part of the original bike. A little bit of a dent in the headlight ring. 38,886 miles on it. If you have any questions, you're welcome to give me a call. I'd be happy to answer for you. Thanks very much.